I've been using this really cool seed storage box here. The company sent out to me to try out. Really, really cool. Love it. It is this really nice design. I believe there's another white design as well. This is the green one. Seeds right there in the front. Nice design. It's got a couple handles on the side. One on the top as well. Has these like latching locks right here. So you can carry it around very nice and easily and take it out with you to the garden. So that is super cool. This nice metal there, rust resistant. And then inside you've got the compartments for storing your seeds. There's three compartments here. There's center, two on the side, and a larger compartment right here. And you can see it fits standard size seed packets very nicely. You can fit a lot of them in there, so that's really cool. There's a larger one here. You can put things like these. This is what came with it. You get a whole bunch of plant markers. I believe there's 100 there. They're heart-shaped. Comes with a pen as well, so very nice. Has these clips as well. So super nice as well. And then it comes with a whole bunch of seed packets as well. So this is what the seed packets look like here. Really, really nice. And then this larger compartment fits larger seed packets as well. So these ones are a little bit larger. They still fit in here very nicely. So really cool. And you still have a lot of space for storing all kinds of things in here. So yeah, a really, really nice decorative way of keeping your seeds organized. You can store this away in your shed or garage. Easily identify and find all your seeds when you need, and then take it out to your garden. So yeah, if you're looking for a really nice way to organize your seeds, definitely check this out.